This video we will be looking to create dedicated sending domain for our sub account. So go to settings and then email services. Create dedicated domain. So this will be, let's suppose, mg. cityhightschool.com, and now add and verify. Add record manually, and now for now I'm actually creating verify records. So once you are in here, you will see that these records are not verified because we haven't actually added those records. So we will be adding these records for now. So first one is txt, and now go to your domain DNS records, add new record, and this will be txt and name of the record, and then we will have the required value and add that required value in here, save, and now we need to add another txt which is mg. So we need to add another txt record that is mg, and then its value that we will take it from GoHighLevel. Add more record which is cname email.mg, cname, and now we need to add value. Value is added, add more records, and now we have mx record, mx name, and priority is 10, and value is mxa.mailgun.org. Add more records. Again we have mx, and priority is also 10 for this as well, and value, and add more records. Last one we have is txt. Select txt and then name, and we need to add its value. Value is added, and now save all records. So all the records are saved for now, and now we need to actually go to GoHighLevel and verify domain. It will take some time. As you can see, it's still saying domain not verified. We'll wait for some time and then again verify these records, and those will be verified. I'll go and verify domain again, and as you can see, this domain is now verified. So in this way we have created the dedicated sending domain.